What are you eating? Gabby?
Dobo.
What?
Dobo.
Dobo. Is it good? Yeah. Oh, come here. You sit down and look at... Hey, stop playing. Oh, here. Gabby. Oh, Mar, subo. Subo. Oh, very good. I like your hair, Gab. Huh? Get Diego. Now you tell Diego to eat dobo.
Mommy.
Mommy, okay, I'll call Diego. You eat first, and then Mommy will get Diego. You sit down. Show Mom. Give Mommy one more suba, then I'm gonna call Diego. Big one, huh? Wow. Oh, very good, Gab. I like your subo.